Ever feel like you know the words but your mind just goes blank? Or you start talking and it just doesn't sound right? You're not alone. Most English learners feel this. The hesitation, the fear, the self-doubt. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a skill. And today, you're going to build it. With real English you can actually use. Welcome to Native English Practice, your daily place for real speaking practice. In this video, you'll hear a natural, real-life conversation with native-style English, full of everyday phrases and expressions. Then we'll dive into the most important part, shadowing practice. The fastest way to boost fluency, confidence, and clear pronunciation. It's simple, it's fun, and it works. Let's begin. Hey, morning. This is the 22 bus stop, right?
Morning. Yeah, you're in the right place.
Oh, good. I always worry I'm waiting at the wrong one.
Yeah, same. They never make the signs clear enough.
Right? Half the time I think I'm on the right stop, and then the bus just drives past me.
Oh no, that's the worst. Happened to me last week.
Really?
Yeah, I waved like crazy, but the driver just looked at me and kept going.
Brutal. You gotta love public transport.
Yeah, you never know what adventure you'll get.
True. Has the bus come yet?
Nope, it's running late again. Third time this week.
Figures. It's always running late when you actually have somewhere important to be.
Exactly. When you don't care, it's super early.
Yeah, like it knows. You take this route every morning?
Pretty much. It drops me close to my office downtown. You?
Same. I work near Central Plaza. Been taking this bus for over a year.
Wow. So, you're a regular commuter.
Yeah. The bus and I have a love-hate relationship.
I get that. I just started using it a few weeks ago.
Oh, nice. New job?
Yeah, I just moved here actually. Still getting used to the routine.
Oh, cool. Where from?
From Denver. Needed a change.
Nice. Big move. You liking it here so far?
Yeah, it's quieter, which I love. But mornings are chaos, especially with this bus.
Yeah, that part never changes.
So, what do you do downtown?
I work in finance. Mostly spreadsheets, numbers, and too much coffee.
Sounds intense.
It can be. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. Mostly logos and social media stuff.
That's awesome. So you're the creative type.
I try to be. Some days I just stare at the screen for hours.
Oh, I know that feeling. I do the same, but with numbers.
So we're both professional screen starers.
Exactly.
At least we're honest about it.
True. Honesty's rare before 8 a.m.
So true.
So, do you usually get the 7:30 bus?
Yeah, I try to, but lately it's been more like 7:45. Or never.
Yeah, they have their own schedule.
Totally. I've stopped trusting the app.
Same. The app says 2 minutes away for like 10 minutes.
Yes. And then it suddenly jumps to arrived and disappears.
Like magic. Except not the good kind.
Exactly.
I think the app just lies to keep us hopeful.
Yeah, digital lies.
So, what do you do while waiting?
Mostly scroll on my phone or just zone out.
Same. Sometimes I listen to music. Makes waiting less painful.
Oh, what kind?
Mostly old school rock. You?
I like soft pop, something calm in the morning.
That makes sense. My music's too loud for mornings.
I'd probably fall asleep with your playlist.
Fair enough.
How long have we been waiting?
25 minutes?
Wow, that's a new record.
Congratulations. We're official champions of waiting.
Yay! Should we get trophies?
At least a free bus ride.
They should have a loyal passenger reward system.
Totally. 1 free coffee per delay.
I'd be drowning in coffee by now.
Same.
You know, I usually just stand here in silence every morning. It's kind of nice to actually talk.
Yeah, I feel the same. Usually everyone's just glued to their phones.
Right? No one even makes eye contact.
Yeah. It's like we all forgot how to do small talk.
Well, looks like we remembered.
Guess so. So, what's your usual morning routine?
Oh, super basic. Coffee, a quick scroll through emails, and then panic because I'm late.
Classic.
What about you?
Wake up, pretend I'll go for a jog, then drink coffee instead.
Sounds productive.
Yeah. I'm great at thinking about exercising.
Same. Mental fitness counts, right?
Totally counts.
Honestly, mornings are the hardest part of adulting.
Couldn't agree more. The struggle is real.
At least coffee helps.
Yeah. Coffee and small talk. Lifesavers.
Exactly.
You realize we've been talking for half an hour and still no bus?
Yeah, but I'm not even mad about it anymore.
Same. I think we've just accepted our fate.
The universe said, "You shall wait."
And we said, okay.
Exactly.
You know, this might actually be the most peaceful wait I've ever had.
Yeah, me too. Not bad for a Monday morning.
Totally.
If the bus doesn't come soon, maybe we should just grab breakfast.
Not a bad idea. There's a diner around the corner.
Ooh, pancakes?
Yep. Best in the neighborhood.
That's tempting.
Let's give it 5 more minutes. If the bus ghosts us again, we go for pancakes.
Deal. Oh, look, there it is.
Wow, it's real.
I was starting to think it was a myth.
Same. I almost lost faith.
Well, this was actually fun.
Yeah, it was. We should start a bus stop talk club.
Just 2 members so far.
Quality over quantity.
True.
After you.
Oh, thanks. That's really nice of you.
No problem. Same time tomorrow?
Yeah, unless the bus runs late again.
You never know.
Exactly.
Have a great day, Maya.
You too, Jake.
Great work. You didn't just watch, you practiced. And that's exactly how you improve. And don't stop here. Click the next video right here for another real-life situation you can master today. See you there. Real English. Real practice. Real progress. Only with us.